In this video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how Etoro copy trading works. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about copy trading on Etoro, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So to start with, what actually is copy trading and what does it mean? Copy trading basically allows us to replicate the investments of other traders, and this allows us to follow experienced traders, and we can even see their track record, risk tolerance and investment styles, which gives us a good idea if they're worth copy trading. So the first thing you need to do is find a trader to copy trade. If you head over to this copy trader section on Etoro, you'll actually be able to fill in this information here, which will help us find our match. So you first want to click on return, and it asks you, what risk level are you comfortable browsing? Now my risk tolerance is quite high, so I'm going to set it to high. But of course, if you don't want to take much risk, you can always set it to low. From there, we can choose our duration. So it asks what our expected time frame is for this copy trade. Now personally, I prefer short-term trades, so I'm going to choose 0 to 1 years. And then for assets types, we can pick whichever we like. However, if you're happy to just let the copy trader do whatever, then you can keep these all ticked and we can search. From there, it shows us a bunch of traders and we can see their return, risk score, as well as other important information. So as you can see, this guy's got a 31% return, so let's just say we wanted to go over this guy. We could click on him to get some more information, and here we can see his track record. So he had 3 green months in a row, then a bad April, then May was good, and then he's currently down 5% in June. So personally, I'd look for someone with a more consistent track record than this, but for the sake of this video, let's just say we wanted to copy trade this guy. What we could do is go to the top right corner and click copy, and we can then choose the amount which we want to invest. However, as you can see here, the minimum amount to copy trade with is $200. Now we can also choose to close this investment if it drops below a certain value. However, I'm just going to keep this at 5%, which is $10, and I'm going to go ahead and click invest. As you can see, it says that we're now copying Alex's moves with $200. So whenever this guy makes a trade, we will also copy his trade with a small chunk of our $200. Now if we go back to this copy trader page, there is also other ways of finding investors. As you can see here, these are some trending investors, and they're trending because they've currently got a really good return, and it means that people are also copy trading these people. So if we click on this one, as you can see, he's got a pretty good track record. In 2022, he did lose 7%. However, the year after that, he made 53%. And then in 2024, he's currently up 30%. So overall, Etoro's copy trading is a great way to potentially benefit from the experience of other traders. Of course, you don't have guaranteed returns. There is still risks involved. But if you choose the right investor and you make sure to diversify and copy multiple traders with different styles and asset allocations, then this can be a really good way of making some extra income. So this has been my video explaining copy trading on Etoro. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.